got a Christmas tray.
Wow.
Isn't this amazing though? Let's start with this one fun. Let's have a look at
Okay.
it.
Start with this one first.
And where do we put this one, Noah? Around the tree. Yeah. This is a Christmas fun tray. And it's like here.
Santa.
Santa.
I want to open it already.
Okay, let's do it. Let's have a look at the. Oh, there's the different languages here. It's in Spanish,
Yeah.
German,
But
Dutch,
Italian, Mommy, we need
Polish,
to
Portuguese,
cut
and
here.
Russian.
We need to cut here.
Yes,
Yeah.
we're gonna do that. Okay, let's have a look. Wow, let's turn it around. Oh yeah. Oh. Wow.
Show that. Wow, look at the train. Ooh, train.
Oh, that's a train track.
Yeah.
Good. And what is this? Mom, what is this?
That goes underneath the tree. It will be in the middle. So we're gonna make sure that it's in the middle. So let's have a look now. This is. Do you wanna take this one and?
I want to open and take a
Oh,
tray.
okay, you go there.
Wow. Show to the camera.
And we need to cut this out.
Mind your fingers. That's done.
It does work.
It does work. Let's have a look. That's
That's
the track.
Okay. So we don't
Okay.
need no batteries.
Let's have a look.
Oh, we need batteries.
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Battery.
I do believe that we need batteries, yes.
Oh, we yes. Oh, we not.
Wow.
Guys, I don't know what to do.
Wow.
And it is
That is the track.
So cool. Let's take this one.
Let's have a look on all the trains, Noah.
Christmas
I want to
wagon.
have a look at them.
This is
Oh,
a train.
this one has the there. And look at this one, Noah. Who's that?
A Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Baby Santa Claus.
And what does it say here?
Merry Christmas.
Oh, look at this. Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, and it has corn.
Yeah.
It's this. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, everybody. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, yeah.
Mommy, Santa Claus is flying. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
Yes, that is super. Wow. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
No! Santa!
Santa, where did you go?
Ew.
Ho, ho, ho! Oh, Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
Daddy, stop it. Thank you for Santa. Get out of here, Santa! Get out of here. Okay, good guys, for watching my video.
Thank you.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah.